It's so predictable that I'd do a video about how to pass PRINCE2 or pass MSP or any of those other exams. But I'm about to subvert your expectations. I'm not going to tell you how to pass, but I am going to give you a tip that will prevent you from failing. Good enough? I'm Stuart Taylor and I make videos about project management, and if that's your thing, hit the subscribe button. I have a colleague who recently passed her PRINCE2 practitioner, and whilst chatting about the exam and her experiences, it brought back a lot of my own memories and reminded me of a behaviour that I noticed seems to be guaranteed to cause failure in PRINCE2, MSP, P3O, Management of Risk, or probably any other similar exam. If you want to pass those types of exams, you really have to take this advice, and if you're the person who needs this advice, you're probably not going to thank me for it. Okay, here we go. Don't be the one in the class who argues with the trainer. Really? What's the point? The exam's based on what's written in a book, not the opinions or the views of the trainer. If your experience or your place of work shows a better way of doing something, that's great. Share it on social media. Tell your colleagues. Tell the cat. But there is absolutely no benefit to you, the class, or the trainer at all in debating it. The reason's simple. The exam paper is not going to change. The answer sheet is not going to change. And what I've seen and heard of happening many other times is there are people who answer what they think the answer should be, not what they've learned in the book and on the course. And then they fail the exam. Maybe they're so self-righteous they just have to write their own answer and not the one that's in the textbook. Maybe they get so distracted by the debate that with the blood pumping they forget to switch back to learning mode. Maybe they dismiss the validity of the training because of one aspect that just doesn't align to their views. Whatever it is, time and time again, it's the debaters in the class that fail. It's weird. Keep in mind, it looks better on the trainer to have a high pass rate, so it's in their interest to spoon-feed the answers to you. It's absolutely not in their interest at all to cause confusion, to explore alternative possibilities and so on. They are literally just telling you what you need to pass the exam, often at the expense of deeper learning. So just pay attention. If you disagree based on your experience, let it rest. If you spot an inconsistency between the book and the trainer, yeah, go ahead and ask about that. If you don't understand something, ask about that too. But always let your questions be focused on learning, not the adrenaline rush of having a public debate. Because even if you win, you may end up losing when you fail the exam, and that's just a waste of time and money. So don't be that guy. Kind of obvious when you think about it, really.